यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यशोदा यमुनातीरावनचारी यमुनातीरावनचारी यमुनातीरा जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्रजकाचार्य स्तोत्र शशि श्रीमद डिवाइन ग्रेस AC भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। इस्कॉन BBD फाउंडर आचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। इस्कॉन गुरु वृंद की जय। श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय। ग्रंथ राज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। निताई गो प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Hare Krishna. So we are going to continue reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 3, the Lord's Pastime out of Vrindavan, text number 15. Om Ajnana Timrandasya Jnananjana Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Mitha Yadaisham Bhavita Vivado Madhva Madhatamra Vilochananam Naisam Vadupaya Iyan Ato Anya Mai Udyate Antardadhate Swayam Sma Mito Yadaisham Bhavita Vivado Mito Yadaisham Bhavita Vivado Madhva Madatam Ravilochananam Madhvat Madatam Ravilochananam Naisham Vabdhopaya Iyanatonyo Naisham Vadhopaya Iyanatonyo Mayudyate Antaradadhate Swam Sma Mayudyate Antadhate Swayam Sma Mitho Yadaisham Bhavita Vivado Madhut Madha Tamra Vilochananam Naisham Vadhopaya Iyanatonyo Mayudyate Antardade Swayam Sma Mitho Yadaisham Bhavita Vivada Madhut Madatmam Ravilochananam Naisham Vadhopaya Iyanatonyo Mayudyate Antardadhate Swayam Sma Please. Mitho Yadaisham Bhavita Vivado Madhut Madatam Ravilochananam Naisham Vadhopaya Iyanatonyo Mayudyate Antardadhate Swayam Sma Mitho Yadaisham Bhavita Vivado Madho Abhatam Ravilochananam Naisham Vadhopaya Iyanatonyo मयोद्यते अंतर्दधाते स्वयं स्मा. माताजी मिथो यदै संभविता विवादो मदोत्मदातं रविलोचनानं नैषां वधोपाययन्ततोऽन्यम् मह्युद्यते अंतर्दधते. मिथा, one another, yada, when, esham, of them, bhavita, will take place, vivadaha, quarrel, madhu amada, intoxication by drinking, atamra vilochananam, of their eyes being copper red, na, not, esham, of them, vadaha, upaya, means of disappearance, iyan, like this, ataha, besides this, anyaha, alternative, may, on my, udyate, disappearance, antahadate, will disappear, swayam, themselves, sma, certainly. So translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So we are reading about Lord's pastime out of Vrindavan. So today's verse, when they quarrel among themselves, influenced by intoxication, with their eyes red like copper, because of drinking madhu, then only will they disappear. Otherwise, it will not be possible. On my disappearance, this incident will take place. Purport: the Lord and His associates appear and disappear by the will of the Lord. They are not subjected to the laws of material nature. No one was able to kill the family of the Lord, nor was there any possibility of their natural death by the laws of nature. The only means, therefore, for their disappearance was the make show of a fight amongst themselves, as if brawling in intoxication due to drinking. That so-called fighting would also take place by the will of the Lord. Otherwise, there would be no cause for their fighting. Just as Arjuna was made to be illusioned by family affection, and thus the Bhagavad Gita was spoken, so the Yadu dynasty was made to be intoxicated by the will of the Lord, and nothing more. The devotees and associates of the Lord are completely surrendered souls. Thus they are transcendental instruments in the hands of the Lord, and can be used in any way the Lord desires. The pure devotee also enjoys such pastimes of the Lord because they want to see Him happy. Devotees of the Lord never assert independent individuality. On the contrary, they utilize their individuality in pursuit of the desires of the Lord. And this cooperation of devotees with the Lord makes a perfect scene of the Lord's pastimes. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Tamal Krishna Goswami Ti Namine. So we just pick up from the yesterday's verse as well. After the end of the battle of Kurukshetra, the Lord said, the abatement of the earth's great burden, 18 Akshonis, has now been effected with the help of Drona, Bhishma, Arjun and Bhima. But what is this? There is still the great strength of the Yadu dynasty, born of myself, which may be a more unbearable burden. तो यहाँ पर भगवान के जो वृंदावन से बाहर का जो लीला है उसके बारे में वर्णन दिया गया है। और आज के श्लोक में वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड्स है। जैसे हम लोग देखता है विवादो भविता विवादो, विवाद मतलब कोरल, ऑर्डिनरी हम लोग बोले वाद विवाद। फिर मधु अमदा, मधु मतलब इंटॉक्सिकेशन, और बोला कि नैशम वधो, वध कैसे वध करना होगा। तो भगवान भविष्यवाणी कर दिया था कुरुक्षेत्र के बाद में कि यदुकुल के जब बैटल हुआ तो बोला ये एक बर्डन खलास हो गया, लेकिन उससे भारी बर्डन हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जो मेरे खुद के जो परिवार है, बिकॉज कृष्णा हैड 16,108 क्वींस ना, एंड देन कृष्णा हैड हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम ईच क्वीन? 10 ना। तो इतना बड़ा भगवान के फैमिली हो गया। तो बोला कि हम ऑर्डिनरीली भी देखते हैं ना, मेरा पिता पंडित होता है ऐसा ना, मेरा पिता गुरु था, मैं गुरु हूँ, मेरे बच्चे गुरु होंगे, तो ऐसे एग्जैक्ट करता ना, या वेल्थी मैन ऐसे होता है। तो कृष्णा कुड सी कि दिस विल व्हाट हैपन, दे विल से वी आर डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट्स। मोर रिसेंट हम लोग देखते हैं चैतन्य चरितामृत में द डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट्स ऑफ लॉर्ड नित्यानंदा, दे डिविएटेड फ्रॉम द path and teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even you go to Vrindavan or you go to Radha Kund, Sham Kund, you still have that lineage of Goswamis, you know. So they carry on the worship of the temple, and they still keep everything in the same lineage kind of thing. And then, तो यहाँ पे भगवान बोलते हैं कि जो प्रभुपाद जी समझाते हैं कि भगवान और भगवान के भक्त जो है उनका प्राकट्य और अप्राकट्य भगवान के विल से होता है। मैं ये पेपर पढ़ा, सबसे पहला एग्जाम्पल मेरे माइंड में आया द लाइफ ऑफ शिला प्रभुपाद ना। अगर शिला प्रभुपाद जी could completely very easily fit into the Gaudiya Math, then Prabhupada might not have gone overseas ना, comfort हो जाता। जैसे पूरा गौड़िया मठ के I mean they do preaching, but शुरू में when Bhakti Sahib Thakur disappeared, what happened was, everyone took charge of different temples. Everyone forgot about, the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preaching to the Western world. तो दूसरा एग्जाम्पल मेरे माइंड में आता है, जैसे हम लोग के सिंगटोका में टेम्पल है ना, तो गीता कीर्ति माता जी और गुरु स्मरणा माता जी, they became devotees here in the medical school. The devotees in Suva, they were preaching Krishna, they became devotees here. But मैं हमेशा अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ, सोचता हूँ ना कि they had an ability to do something, but अगर if they just remained here in Suva, of course we can only have one temple, we can't build another temple. But they had the ability. But because they moved out, they could do something amazing. तो बोले भगवान अपन ओन अरेंजमेंट से, तो डिवोटी जो है वो भगवान के अरेंजमेंट से भगवान के इंस्ट्रूमेंट है। तो कृष्ण प्रभुपाद जी बोले हैं द डिवोटीज आर नॉट सब्जेक्टेड टू द लॉज ऑफ मटेरियल नेचर। और रीडिंग हियर आल्सो कम्स टू द पॉइंट ना कि हम लोग सबको इन डिवोटीज लोग सबको इन सरेंडर्ड है, सबको इन पेशेंट है, सबको इनके धैर्य है, सबको इन इज लुकिंग फॉर टू गिविंग प्लेजर टू कृष्णा, देन हाउ कैन देयर बी डिसएग्रीमेंट? There cannot be disagreement because सबके गोल तो एक के है, only it may be different means, but जैसे यहाँ पे बोले हैं no one was able to kill the family of the Lord, nor was there any possibility of their natural death by the laws of nature. The only means therefore for their disappearance was the make show of a fight amongst themselves, as if brawling and intoxication due to drinking. तो बोले फैमिली में भी एक फैमिली गैदरिंग हुए, ड्रिंकिंग पार्टी हुए, बस फिर वहाँ झगड़ा हो जाए। ना, अदरवाइज दे आर ऑल फैमिली। तो ऐसे हम लोग डिवोटीज लोग कभी कभी डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होए जिसके कारण से कोई दूसरा पॉजिटिव चीज हो जाए, तो दैट मीन्स वो कृष्ण के अरेंजमेंट रहा, बिकॉज अदरवाइज एक और सर्विस नहीं होता। हाँ? और संगे संगे जैसे बोले ब्राउलिंग एंड इंटॉक्सिकेशन ड्यू टू ड्रिंकिंग, कभी कभी डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होए है लेकिन कुछ पॉजिटिव आउटकम नहीं हुए। तो वही रकम है जैसे एक फैमिली में इंटॉक्सिकेशन, ड्रिंकिंग पार्टी में झगड़ा हो जाए, फिर बात विवाद हो जाए, तो वैसे डिवोटी में कौन सी इंटॉक्सिकेशन है? व्हाट इज द इंटॉक्सिकेशन? हम लोग तो इंटॉक्सिकेशन लेता नहीं है, so we don't have a drinking party, but what can we become intoxicated by? Ego, pride. I am a better devotee than others. I make more devotees than others. I build a temple. तो ये हम लोग के इंटॉक्सिकेशन से कौन सी होए? नशा से कौन सी होए? मद, मैडनेस हो जाए। हाँ, मैडनेस हो जाए। तो हम लोग के भी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ में भी तो प्रभुपाद जी अलग अलग जगह पे समझा है कि जब डिवोटी भी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस करे तो उसके अष्ट सिद्धि के भी प्राप्ति हो जाए। जैसे हनुमान जी के हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, अष्ट सिद्धि के दाता। बट हनुमान जी के लगे भी अष्ट सिद्धि है, कैन बिकम स्मॉलर देन द स्मॉलेस्ट, बिगर देन द बिगेस्ट, फ्लाई, वॉक ऑन वाटर, फ्लाई ऑल द सबसेस कर सकता है, लेकिन हिज फ्लाइट टू लंका हम देखे सकता है, उसके अष्ट सिद्धि के प्रदर्शन होए है, बट ही डज नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड बिकॉज हिज फोकस ऑन द मिशन ऑफ सर्चिंग फॉर सीता। तो जो डिवोटीज भी, जैसे हम लोग कल प्रोग्राम में हम लोग डिस्कस करा रहे पॉइंट ना भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर के, एक्चुअली बहुत डीप प्रेयर है भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर के, कि हाँ भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर प्रार्थना करे है लास्ट वर्स में कि भगवान सब असुर लोगन के तुम कृपा कर दिया है, सब असुर लोग they have gone back, but we know the Thakilobasi, I am still remaining here. तो अगर डिवोटीज साधु में डिसएग्रीमेंट हो जाए तो द ओनली डिसएग्रीमेंट विल बी व्हेन द साधु इज टेकिंग सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट। हम लोग के अपन इंटरेस्ट हाया हो जाए तो अदरवाइज हम लोग के तो क्वालिटी एक के है। We are all here to become devotees. We are all here to serve Krishna. We are all here to learn from the sadhus. We are all here for Vaishnav Seva. So there cannot be any disagreement. Na? But when we bring, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu क्या बोला? न धनम न जनम न सुंदरीम कविताम व जगती स कामय मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवतात् भक्ति रहित की त्वयि। तो धनम जनम सुंदरीम। तो कल नित्यानंद प्रभु हमें क्वेश्चन पूछिस ना, बोले जैसे चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगह मदई के माफ कर दिस, व्हाई डिडंट चैतन्य महाप्रभु फॉरगिव छोटा हरिदास? छोटा हरिदास वाज गोइंग इन हरिनाम, दे वर गोइंग इन द संकीर्तन पार्टी, एंड देन ही बिकेम अट्रैक्टेड टू अ ब्यूटीफुल वुमन हु वाज वॉकिंग बाय द रोड साइड, एंड चैतन्य महाप्रभु थ्रू हिम आउट ऑफ द संकीर्तन पार्टी. He came and asked forgiveness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu didn't forgive him. Then he committed suicide. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, that is his purification. So, तो मैं प्रभु से डिस्कस कर रहा था ना कि चैतन्य महाप्रभु तो पतित पावन है, therefore what was the great offense? तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु in spiritual life, बोले कि बड़ा से बड़ा साधु भी हो जाए, द लास्ट जो फाश है, जो माया हम लोग के ऊपर बीतती है, इज अट्रैक्शन फॉर द ऑपोजिट सेक्स. तो वैसे प्रभुपाद जी फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग मुझे 4 रेगुलेटिव प्रिंसिपल्स बहुत क्लियर है. प्रभुपाद नहीं, भागवतम में व्हेन कली वाज गिवन द 4 प्लेसेस टू रिजाइड, these are the 4 places: yutam panam striyam sunam. It's a very it just distracts the whole spiritual. You cannot, because चैतन्य महाप्रभु स्पेसिफिकली चैतन्य महाप्रभु बताया कि जो वैष्णव होता है वो असत्संग त्याग ए वैष्णवाचार. बोला असत्संग, वी शुड गिव अप बैड एसोसिएशन. We should give up bad association. So bad association, violence is bad, intoxication is bad, gambling is bad. It is very easy. और ये सब, ये जो वायलेंस है, इंटॉक्सिकेशन है, गैम्बलिंग है, इसको हम लोग छुप छुप के नहीं कर पाएंगे. इट विल बिकम एक्सपोज वेरी इजीली. लेकिन स्त्री संग जो है उसको इट कैन बी हिडन, इट कैन बी कवर्ड. तो जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु बोला, चैतन्य में पढ़ रहा था, चैतन्य महाप्रभु बोला असत्संग त्याग ए वैष्णव. सो वी गिव अप बैड एसोसिएशन. So when he said give up bad association, he specifically mentioned Stri Sangi, one who is a womanizer, and those who are friends of the womanizers. Why would Chaitanya Charitamrita specifically mention this? Why would Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with his own words specifically mention this? Because this is the most polluting that completely spoils the consciousness. एकदम मद में पागल हो जाएगा. This is madness. Vishwamitra Muni, Subhari Muni, these are all great examples in the scriptures by bad association, and particularly Prabhupada always said, women are like fire, men are like butter. You put them together, it will melt. Purity, cleanness की जब बात होता है, it's about speaking about this. We are not making a discrimination. I know I'm live on Facebook as well. We are not making discrimination. We are not saying women are not equal to men or this and that. But Srila Prabhupada also mentions that in the name of woman's liberation, what is the idea of man? Exploit the woman. वही हो रहा है और कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Whereas very cultured, very chaste, very pure women can produce wonderful society, wonderful children, wonderful society. Actually, they become the means. All these great devotees, I get reminded of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi wrote this. Narsim Mehta's actually. I think it's Narsim Mehta's song, no? Made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. Vaishnava jana to tene kahiye peer paraya jane. So one of the panthis, one of the verses is Dhana Janani. Glorious is the mother who has given birth to such a great Vaishnava. So women make, yesterday's point we were discussing with Bhaktivinoda Thakur, even the women, they cook food in the home. Not that it's a men also cook, but generally women cook. So all the consciousness, all the spirituality, all the good qualities that you derive from food actually comes from the mother's consciousness. When the mother bears the child, how the child develops and appears, and the character he picks up, of course association also determines the character, but at birth whatever it is from the mother's consciousness. So the point being that this good association for maintaining pure devotional service is very, very critical. And very powerful point made by Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj was that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to deliver the fallen, the Patit. He is Patit Pavan. So he said in Kali Yuga, whilst we are all considered Patit, we are saying, we are so unlucky. Bhagavatam says what? Manda Sumanda Matta Bhagya. Matta Bhagya. We are so unfortunate. Bhakti Charu Maharaj said, actually, we are not unfortunate. We are so fortunate to be unfortunate. We are so fortunate to be unfortunate because the unfortunate becomes the recipient of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, for which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu has come. Keshav Kashmiri was very qualified. He was expert. The Mayavadis, they are very learned. They are not devotees, but they are very learned in the scriptures. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would keep away from them. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would keep with the devotees, because devotees are fully surrendered. So, that so-called fighting would also take place by the will of the Lord, otherwise there would be no cause for their fighting. Because everyone is a devotee, they are all Krishna's family. What is the cause of their fight? Just being in the association of Krishna, it itself is such a great achievement. When you are completely associated with Krishna, and of course just imagine, these are all Krishna's children, these are all Krishna's family, how can they be overcome by Kam, Krodh, Mad, Mol or Matsarya? Because these are the things, the reasons, the causes for disagreements and fights. So there was no way this is possible. There would be no cause. Just as Arjuna was made to be illusioned by the family affection. Arjuna is a pure devotee, he is Krishna's Sakha. So he knows. But he was made illusioned. Krishna made him illusioned that he showed family affection. He said, Krishna, I don't want to fight this battle. My Guru Dev is here. My cousins are here. What will be the use of all the kingdom which will be tainted by the blood of my own relatives? Arjuna perfectly knew it was the battle of dharma. Krishna was wanting this to happen. But he appeared so Krishna made him illusioned by family affection. And thus the Bhagavad Gita was spoken. So, the Yadu dynasty was made to be intoxicated by the will of the Lord and nothing more. So, we all know, if you read Srimad Bhagavatam, you go towards the end of the 10th canto. So that's all the Yadu children, they made fun of a Brahmana. So one of the children of Krishna, they dressed up like a woman and made to appear as if he was pregnant. And then he went to the Brahmana and then said, can you predict, will it be a boy or a girl? So the Brahmana said, it will be, I know. And they all became afraid. And actually, that I know appeared. Then what the Yadus, all the children did, they went and, grinded it, and they went and threw it in the water so that it goes, they became scared. Then what happened? All these particles of iron, it grew on the banks of the river. So it all grew, and like spears. And then they were all having a picnic, they became intoxicated, the quarrel started, Vivad started, and they picked up this thing and they killed one another. And that's how the whole Yadu dynasty completed, finished. The devotees and associates of the Lord are completely surrendered souls. This is a very powerful point. Yesterday also we discussed this thing. We must all think every day. You must think every day. Before I die, I have to become fully surrendered soul to Krishna. Fully surrendered soul. What does fully surrendered soul mean? I'm only working for the pleasure of Krishna, that's all. I'm just doing everything for the pleasure of Krishna. That's fully surrendered soul. Thus they are transcendental instruments in the hands of the Lord and can be used in any way the Lord desires. So, when we become pure devotees, then we become instrument in Krishna's hands. Then Krishna uses us to achieve Krishna's mission. Whatever Krishna wants done, then we become via medium. That's exactly what Gurudev is. That's what Guru is. That's what Prabhupada is. Prabhupada always gives this example. The sun is rising. If we have colored windows, the light inside will be colored. But if it's clear glass, the light inside will be exactly like the sun. So being Krishna's instrument, being Krishna's via medium. Every time I read about being Krishna's instrument, we look at all the cooks. Rajaram Prabhu, must have cooked khichdi now. Of course, help put the ingredients together and everything. But the hard part on the fire in the heat was what? the spoon. But do we ever give any credit to the spoon? Does the spoon take any credit anyway? We say, today's prasadam is very nice, done by Ram Raj Prabhu. The spoon doesn't jump out of the kitchen and say, no, I did. I was in the heat. I was getting. So when a devotee is pure devotee, then the devotee goes in the heat. You look at the life of Prabhupada. Prabhupada went into the heat of everything. Prabhupada's family, Prabhupada did the Back to Godhead magazine, Prabhupada went into the streets of Delhi, Prabhupada suffered heat stroke, Prabhupada was going to the west, Prabhupada suffered heart attacks But Prabhupada always kept praying, Krishna, I am an instrument in your hand and make me dance, make me dance, make me dance. And all the prayers, the Gopinath prayers of Bhaktivinoda Thakur is simply that. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is just praying to Krishna. Before we come before Radha Golok Bihari, and we should open our hearts to Radha Golok Bihari. Radha Golok Bihari, see, in my heart, I have hatred. I cannot get along with this person. I have these material desires. I still want this. So then you have to allow Krishna to do a open heart surgery. Let's pour it before Krishna. We don't come to Krishna and we just say, Krishna, I've done this good thing, I've done good thing. Krishna is not interested only in the good things. Krishna is interested in you. And in you means complete purification of the heart. Thus they are transcendental instruments in the hand and can be used in any way the Lord desires. The pure devotees also enjoy such pastimes of the Lord because they want to see Him happy. So even if sometimes devotees have to go through difficulties, the devotee is happy. Why? Because Krishna is happy. If Krishna thinks this is what it is that will give him pleasure, devotee is willing to take it. And very nice example in Valmiki Ramayana is that of who takes that very difficult task for the pleasure of Lord Ram. Sabri Mata, who else? What most difficult one? Hanumanji. See, because Bharat Maharaj, everyone is looking at good qualities, which is good. You should appreciate other devotees. Keikei had to take the responsibility of asking Dashrath Maharaj to not give the kingdom to Ram. She had to ask that Ram be exiled for 14 years. So, Acharya is right. She did a service to Krishna. And to date in this world, no one names their daughter Keikei. We all want to name Radharani, Sita Rani, and give all these names. Do you find people naming their daughter Keikei? No one can see the service. This is a great example of a devotee who do things for the pleasure of. And Valmiki Ramayana describes that actually Ram asked her to do this service. She said, if you don't do this, I will not be able to fulfill my obligation that I have to go to the forest for 14 years. There are so many great rishis and sadhus. And actually, they are aspiring for the darshan of Ram. But Ram justified to Keikei saying that I want to go and get blessings from this because they have done so much in their spiritual practice. So this is what comes to my mind when I read this, that the pure devotees, they enjoy even doing this service. Sometimes it's difficult service, but they because Krishna wants it done. So the devotee, pure devotee means simply Krishna's pleasure. Devotees of the Lord never assert independent individuality. On the contrary, they utilize their individuality in pursuit of the desires of the Lord. हम लोग के एग्जिस्टेंस के कारण क्या है? ममई अंश जीवलोके जीवभूत साथ मनष्ठानि इंद्रियानि प्रकृति स्थानी कर्षति. हम लोग अपन इंडिविजुअलिटी एक्सरसाइज कर, हम लोग के सबके अलग अलग स्वतंत्रता है, हम लोग के अलग अलग चॉइस है, फ्रीडम है. हम लोग वही लाके यूटिलाइज करा है मनष्ठानी इंद्रियानी, माइंड और सेंसेस में। तो डिवोटी जो है वो इंडिविजुअलिटी के आपन में नहीं यूज करे, आपन इंडिविजुअलिटी यूज करे है कृष्णा के प्लेजर में। सो एज एन इंडिविजुअल आई चूज टू सर्व कृष्णा। Just like we were asking, we also commented on this. आप कहीं पे जाओ, Krishna sees what is your service. Your service is your identity. There's nothing else. तुम्हारा service जो है वही तुम्हारा identity है। So when you come before Krishna, you come and stand before Radha Golok Bihari, Gonitai, Sitaram. Then Krishna will say, okay, you're Shama Gopi, Dasi. We may think, Shama Gopi is my identity. But Krishna, through the Shama Gopi, Krishna is looking at the Dasi. What is your service? And look at, Vishwanath Das. What is your service? So that's what Krishna is looking for. And this cooperation of the devotees with the Lord makes a perfect scene for the Lord's pastime. So when all the devotees are cooperating, doing different things, then it puts a full picture. Just like you have a movie, you have a Bollywood movie. So everyone is doing, there's some gunda, there's some chamchas of the gunda, there's a hero, when the hero and the heroine are dancing, there's so many support dancers. Then the whole scene looks nice. So similarly in Krishna consciousness or our spiritual life, when all the devotees are cooperatively working, and cooperatively working does not mean that everyone has to do the same thing. It's a scene, it's a jigsaw puzzle. So different people are doing different things, then it makes a complete. Khichdi is not simply a one meal. It has many things in it. It has many things. And when we eat, we find the carrot, the orange color is there, the bhaji is there. So different things there, then they make a nice meal. So similarly, so in conclusion, today's verse, so Krishna is saying, this will become a problem and I have to bring a closer to this, and this will, what will happen. So from that pastime, the acharyas derive the meaning that amongst us in our spiritual life, as far as our heart is cleansed of kam, krodh, mad, moh, lobh, mad, matsarya, we will be in cooperation, serving the Lord, creating a wonderful satisfaction for Krishna. But if we become intoxicated by kam, krodh, mad, moh, lobh, matsarya, and start our individuality, we take advantage of our own individualities, then what will happen? Everything will be destroyed. So, let us all pray to Krishna, Radha Golok Bihari, Sitaram, Lakshman, Gonitai, Srila Prabhupada and all the Vaishnavas. And we can end with the quote that we shared this week. I think the best quote of the week is Srila Prabhupada saying that to all the devotees, that you all are different limbs of my body. And if all the limbs do not cooperate, then how can I be healthy? प्रभुपाद जी बोले सब भक्त लोग, बोले आप सब लोग हमारे शरीर के अलग अलग अंग है, और जब हम लोग सब अंग मिल के काम नहीं करी तो हम कैसे हेल्थी रहेगा. I think it's a very powerful statement by Srila Prabhupada, and we should meditate on this and think. और ये स्टेटमेंट मैं पढ़ता हूँ, जब मैं सुना हूँ तो दिल में भावना आता है ना. We all have little differences here and there, and it's almost like Prabhupada is begging us. I'm not healthy. If we don't feel like, if we don't have our heart connecting to everyone, just think Prabhupada is not healthy. It's Prabhupada saying, I'm not well. So, very nice quote by, it came on, I think, Ishkon Vrindavan live quotes. So, thank you very much, and Hare Krishna. So, anybody has any questions or comments on this verse? Yes, Pasha Prabhu.
He doesn't actually, that's the trap. If you get into the individuality, that means you're still under the influence of God. You consider yourself a servant and an instrument in the hands of God.
Yes.
That's the real thing. So, you mentioned about Lassi Lanka. So, when I was a child, I saw this movie in bigger theater. used to be in Mark Street, not Regal Theatre, Century Theatre, used to be in Mark Street. So I always liked the bhajan from those days. So Narsi Mehta, you know Narsi Mehta's story. So he was a devotee of Krishna, and some people who were going to actually Dwarka, they had to go to Narsi Mehta's town, and they were carrying a lot of presents to the Lord. So there used to be thieves out there, all chores. So उसने पूछा, there were no banks out there, so you could transfer and go to the bank, Dwarka. So they asked some people, that is there any place here we can, give him the money here, and the other place we can get the money instead. So Narsi Mehta agar khilli udana chahta hai, so there is one person, Narsi Mehta, who will do that transaction for you. You can keep your money here, and when you go to Dwarka, he will arrange someone out there to give it to you. Yes, that is it. And Narsi Mehta was poor, but people were trying to make fun of him. So obviously, at those days, what happened was, Narsi Mehta के घर पे बहुत सारे ब्राह्मण आ जाते हैं. So obviously, to serve Brahman is important service. तो उसके घर में पैसे तो थे नहीं. So when these people come up, Narsi Mehta क्या सोचता है कि भगवान ने ये आयोजन की है कि मैं ये पैसे इनकी सेवा में लगा दूं. For a minute he gets कि चलो, so he goes and uses that money and feeds all the brahmanas and they depart. After वो जब चले गए, तब भगवान फिर उसकी memory वापस करता है. यार तुम्हें पैसे तो दे दिए हैं, because these people have come and give this money to Narsi Mehta. तो Narsi Mehta को बोला कि द्वारका में किसको मिलने का? तो बोलता है द्वारका में आप जाएंगे, वहाँ there is one person उसका भगवान का नाम दिया. तो वहाँ आप जाएंगे, तो वो वहाँ रहेगा, उनको पैसे दे देंगे. So that was the arrangement. So after Narsi Mehta has used the money to serve all the Brahmins, वो सोचता है कि भगवान मैंने क्या किया. अब Narsi Mehta से झूठ थोड़ा बोलने वाला, पर भगवान ने उसको बुलाया. You become a real instrument. You may do, people may think कि उसने गलत काम किया है, लेकिन भगवान उसको करा रहा है. So then Narsi Mehta, and this is the glories of Narsi Mehta, that Narsi Mehta को भगवान के सामने कीर्तन करता है. And in that kirtan, there is one verse which I like very much to tell to share. So वो कहता है भगवान को कि उसको हुंडी बोलते हैं, पैसा याद रखना एडवांस. तो बोलते हैं Narsi Mehta गाता है कि तूने जो ना मेरी हुंडी चुकाई, भगवान को बोलता है तूने जो ना मेरी हुंडी चुकाई, जाएगी तेरी ही लाज है. मेरी लाज नहीं जाने वाली. क्यों तेरी लाज जाएगी? Because I have only one identity, and my identity is I'm your servant.
I'm your servant, yes.
So Bhagavan, one is identity. Such a beautiful illustration that I am yours. You can keep me, you can do. Prabhupada ने भी वही बात कि प्रभुपाद इतनी तकलीफ से जब अमेरिका पहुंचे और आखिरी दिन जब बॉस्टन में दूसरे रोज शिप लगने वाला था, प्रभुपाद राज को एक कविता लिखते हैं ना कि भगवान मुझे इतने प्रभुपाद ट्रैवल और 2 बार हार्ट अटैक कर चुका था, तबीयत धीरे धीरे. तो अब प्रभुपाद सोचने लगे कि मैं जो मकसद के लिए आया हूँ तो मेरी मंजिल पहुंच गई है. तो प्रभुपाद का क्या इंस्पिरेशन आता है, पैसे तो थे नहीं, किसी को जानते नहीं. तो प्रभुपाद ने कविता में लिखा, भगवान को क्या लिखा कि मेरी कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, मैं तो एक खिलौना तुम्हारे हाथ में. तुम जैसे खिलाना चाहते हो वैसे मुझे खिलाओ, चाहे तुम मुझे मारना चाहते हो, जो भी करना चाहते हो. I am a puppet in your hand. Make me dance, make me dance. So your devotee का जो आइडेंटिटी है, वो खाली भगवान से एक आइडेंटिटी है. उसका जो भी false ego, real ego, सब डाल देता है.
Very nice point. Even हम लोग ऐसे practically in spiritual life we pick things, we learn things. So it's a very good discussion we had today. कि हम लोग सबको भगवान के सामने आए के and we can pray to Krishna. Krishna, I am nothing but your servant only. Therefore, please guide me. Please, use me in your service. We have to ask Krishna. अगर हम नहीं बोलेगा, हम approach नहीं करेगा कृष्णा के तो ऑफ कोर्स कृष्णा तो सर्वज्ञ है, कृष्णा जाए, बट हम लोग अपन माइंड के जब अपन मुंह से बोलेगा नहीं तो हम लोग कैसे जा ना, हम और आप अभी रिलेट करेगा. इफ आई डोंट से यू आर इन डिफिकल्टी एंड आई से प्रभु हेल्प मी, देन आई कैन हेल्प यू. द beggar comes and asks for a donation. He says, I want to buy food, please give me something. So likewise we have to come to Krishna and say, Krishna, I have no identity, my only thing is I am your servant, I am your only servant. So we have to come and talk to Krishna. I think the problem, if we say in a very practical sense, दुनिया में आज प्रॉब्लम है या तो दुनिया में लोग भगवान को अट्रैक्ट नहीं होते हैं या लोग फील करते हैं भगवान हेल्प नहीं करता है, इज बिकॉज वी डोंट टॉक टू कृष्णा. यू हैव टू टॉक टू कृष्णा. हम क्राउड्स में रहता है, फ्रेंड सर्कल्स में रहता है, हम एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करता है तो रिलेशनशिप फिर हम के खलास हो जाए. तो इसे भगवान से हम लोग बात नहीं करेगा. ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु हम लोग इनका एक प्रोसेस दे दी से, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. सो एटलीस्ट 16 राउंड्स एवरी डे वी आर टॉकिंग टू कृष्णा. प्लीज एंगेज मी इन योर सर्विस, अदरवाइज वी वुड नॉट इवन डू दैट. बट थैंक यू.
भगवान की लीला में ऐसा क्या होता है कि जब यादव डायनेस्टी को वापस भेजना है तो भगवान ने ऐसा क्यों प्लान बनाया कि सब तो दारू पिया है ना, वो सब ने मद लिया, लिया, सब उसका सेंसर से चले गए और वो लड़ने लगे. तो एक्चुअली कलयुग में हमको ये लीला मिली है. तो कलयुग में इज स्ट्रेसिंग द पॉइंट कि कोई का रिश्ता कितना भी हो, बाप बेटे का, दो भाई का, अगर दारू बीच में आ जाएगा तो एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. Krishna is saying that even the Yadu dynasty, once they became under the influence of liquor, they lost that.
Yeah. Very true, very true. Very nice. Thank you very much everyone for coming to today's class. And Krishna bless everyone with spiritual advancement. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Grantara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Let's take this DTS. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Govindam Adipurusham Pushyanti panti kalayanti Shiram jaganti Anandam chinmaya Sajudala Vigrahasa Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham bhajami Anganiyasa sakalendriyavritimante Pashyanti panti kalayanti Hiram daganti Anandam simaya sajudala vigrahasya Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami.